Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give my personal review about mCaffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub. If you are new to my channel, welcome and please do subscribe. Before I begin with the video, I want to make sure that this is not a sponsorship video. I always give my genuine review because I bought the product by my own and I am spending each and every penny from my pocket. So it is needed to be genuine. Let's get into the review. This scrub comes with a good cardboard box with additional wooden spoon to scoop out the product. The scrub is meant to be used for normal to oily skin. Net quantity of this scrub is 100 grams and it costs nearly 449 rupees. A body scrub that costs 449 rupees just for 100 grams is a little bit expensive for me and I don't think it's affordable. Shelf life of this scrub is 24 months from manufacturing date, but once you open the package, you have to use it within 6 months. This scrub is 100% natural Ayush certified and it's SLS free, paraben free, dermatologically tested and not tested on animals. That is really great. The main ingredient in this coffee scrub is coffee obviously and coconut oil. Many of us have this doubt in our mind. Can I use the body scrub onto my face? The answer is obviously no. Our facial skin is more on the delicate side in comparing with our body skin. So if you apply something on your face that is meant to be used for our body, that can cause more damage than the good thing. So using body products onto your face is obviously a no-no. Let's see how to use this body scrub. Take the required amount of the scrub. Start applying it on your wet body. The package asks us to scrub from shoulder and spread it all over the upper body. Then take the enough quantity to apply on the legs, focusing more on the knees, elbows and neck with gentle circular motion. Now I'm just showing here how to use on the back of my hand. Once we scrub off the dead skin, rinse with warm water and pat dry with a clean towel. Follow up with a good body lotion or a body butter to soothe the skin and close the open pores. We can use this scrub twice in a week or whenever we need it. My final review about this product, this is a good body scrub, okay, but not worth the money. We need this scrub double the amount from our regular body scrub for the entire body. So I will not recommend this product as well as I will not repurchase it in the future as I don't like when comparing with the quantity. The quality of the product is fine, but the quantity, it's not up to the mark. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you guys like my review. If so, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Please mention the product which you want me to review in the comment section. Thank you.